All right. Guys, I want to show you the type of inverter installations we have around here.
Next one, okay.
This is one of our installations in one of our offices. Now we have 24 battery cell here. Now, if you look at this battery, each of the battery is 2 volt rated. Is rated 2 volts. 2 volts, 1,500 amps. 1,500 amps is so little that it can deliver a little charge. It's enough to cut your hand. It's enough to cut your hand. So don't toy around it.
Yes,
but
sir.
it's 2 volts. Now, if it is 2 volts, that means the voltage delivery is minimal, but the ampage is so high. I want to explain what I mean by the ampage. It's just like your water dispenser. We have different types of water dispenser. We have a reservoir. Reservoir is water dispenser. It dispenses water. And we have the one in your sitting room, which is also a reservoir, and also it dispenses water. Now, the capacity of that reservoir in your town, maybe water processing unit that has a bigger reservoir, the capacity is so much. We are talking about tons of liters of water, thousands of tons of liters of water that can serve a whole village or a whole community. And then you have a water reservoir also that can serve your sitting room, that can serve your guests, maybe about 4 or 5 of them, compared to that can serve about 5,000, 2 million people in the town. Now, you have 2 volts. Before you can have 12, if you look at our inverter, this kind of inverter, this is the Xantrex inverter. Now, Xantrex inverter, you can have 24 volt rated Xantrex, you can have 36 volts rated, you can have 48 volt rated. In this scenario, we have 48 volt rated Xantrex inverter, and this is 48 volt rated but 3 kVA. This 3 kVA inverter is so massive that it can power your freezer, it can power your 1 horsepower in AC, it can power a lot of appliances. It's coil, it's double coil, it's made of coil, so it's so strong. Now, look at this battery. I want to give us a little analysis of this battery. You have each of these batteries with 2 volts. That means you need 6 of this battery combination to make 12 volts. Don't turn it. If you turn it, so as it is now, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these 6 units of battery will give you a 12 volt but 15 amps rated battery. That's to tell you that if you look at the way it is, for you to have 12 volts, that means you have arranged them in series. 2 volts in 6 places will give you 12. That is serial arrangement. Now, the serial arrangement of batteries will only increase the voltage, but we make the ampage to be constant. So you have 1,005, 1,005, 1,005, 1,005, 1,005, 1,005 unit rated battery. 6 of them in a series will give you 12 volts but 1,500 amps. So if you count all the batteries we have here, we have about 24 of them. Am I right? Now, 24 of them, if you divide 24 by 6, that gives you 4. Now, that is to tell you that you have this 12, this is 24, this is 12 volts plus another 12 volts. 12 times 4 will give you 48. Now, if you look at it, 48 batteries arranged. Each of these batteries, look at the calculation, don't be confused. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 12 volts, right? That is 1. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's another 12, making another 12 battery. Another 12 rated battery. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's another set. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's another set. So imagine you are having a 4 piece of 12 volt rated battery. 12 volts but 1,500 amps. Now, how do we combine 12 volt rated batteries to give us 48? That means the 12 volt rated battery must be arranged in what? In series. Now, that means you join the first 12 to the second 12, that gives you 24. You bring the third 12, that gives you 36. Then you join the fourth 12, which gives you 48. But because it is arranged, like I told you, the first principle of battery arrangement, if it is made in series, it increases, serial arrangement of battery increases the voltage, but makes the ampage constant. And since each of these units is 1,500 amps, so you have 48 volts or 1,500 amps rated. Now, if you were to rearrange this, maybe you need more uptime, then you have to consider changing your inverter rating. This is 48 volts rated inverter. Let's assume you want to use a 12 rated volt inverter. If you're using a 12 rated volt inverter, which means in this case, we have, like I told you earlier, we have 4 sets of 12 volts battery here. 4 sets of 12 volts battery. That means if we have to now arrange it in parallel. Because we have the 12 rated inverter, we arrange this in parallel. It's like you are piling up the same voltage. So you are making the voltage constant, but you are increasing the ampage. That means if you keep the voltage constant, the ampage will now be 1,500 times 4. That gives you what? That gives you how much? How many? That will give you 6,000 amps. So which means if this guy is delivering of an autonomy, a constant power supply of 72 hours using a 48 voltage inverter. If you, that is using a serial arrangement, like as it is now, is a serial arrangement. Now, if you change the order and you put it on a parallel arrangement, you are going to enjoy what you are enjoying using a 12 volt inverter. You are going to enjoy 72 times 4 hours. Can Monsura give us the calculation? 72 times 4 hours. 72 hours is how many days?
3 days.
3 days. That means you are going to enjoy uninterrupted power supply for good 12 days.
Wow.
Thank you for that.
Okay.
That is to tell you that it is better to increase the ampage of your battery. And how do you increase the ampage of your battery? It is by a parallel arrangement. Now, increasing the voltage of your battery, you go through the serial arrangement. So get it, we have 2 types of battery arrangement. I'll be closing out now. We have 2 types of battery arrangement. The number 1 is parallel arrangement. Parallel has to do with ampage. Parallel, ampage. Then we have serial arrangement. Serial has to do with the voltage. If you want to increase your voltage, rearrange your battery serially. And if you want to increase the ampage, arrange it in parallel order. So as we have here now, we have 24 batteries giving us 48 volts and then 1,500 amps. That's to tell you that the ampage remains unchanged. So thank you. We'll be closing out from here. In summary, what we've just been able to recap is that you can arrange your batteries in 2 order depending on the capacity of your inverter. Your inverter will dictate to you whether you are building the ampage or you are building your voltage. So if you have a 12 volt rated inverter, that means you leave your you leave your 12 volt rated inverter. In this case, you have 2 volt rated inverter. That means you need 6 pairs to make a 12 volt arrangement. So thank you guys. It's been lovely. We have with us here Mr. Dada. He's our astute electrician. He's been helping us. He's a technical consultant. His surname is Power. He's Mr. Dada Power. Mr. Dada, say hi to our people.
Hi.
Thank you.
Please look at the camera.
Yeah, I said that. Okay. So thank you so much. I'll be signing out from now.
It's me, but your cameraman.
God bless you. Okay, I have my cameraman. His name is Tolu. Tolu the naughty boy.
Yeah.
And this is Monsurat.
Hi.
Yeah, we see you.
Peace out.
Bye bye. Yeah.